How to fix ready or not is crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to the library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. And in the general tab, you want to add -dx11 to the launch options. Now go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam. Now you'll need to check if you have the latest drivers. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you will need to install NVIDIA app. Otherwise, if you have AMD, you can use the AMD software. And then go to drivers and check for the latest available driver updates. And make sure to download and install them. Next, you will need to open up a new browser tab and then search for Redist. Click on the first link and then scroll down to the second table here for redistributables and make sure to install the 86 and the 64, both of these. And once you finish the installation, it will ask you to reboot your computer. Now, right after the reboot, you will need to open up Steam as admin, right click and run as admin. And then you can launch the game from your library. And this should solve the crash problem. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And thanks for watching.